Let's talk about another developing story, a case for a chat. Government caps have been put in place. Price of knee replacement implants. Apollo Hospitals has been in stock in focus. Their earnings have not been that good, but the management has been talking about how they are more optimistic about the future per se. But the stock in focus is really Shalby Hospitals. And we are going to be joined by Dr. Vikram Shah, CMD of Shalby Hospitals, in a moment to talk about this big development where the government has put price caps for knee replacement implants. In an earlier move, the government had capped prices for coronary stents. The knee implants came into effect from Wednesday onwards. That's yesterday. Any hospital overcharging will face severe action. Do we have Mr. Shah to go across to? Mr. Shah, good to have you on the show. How do you read into this development, the impact this may have for the industry?
Well, it's nice in a way that more and more people, more and more patients will be able to take decision to do the surgery. So the overall volume of number of surgeries being done will increase substantially.
Right. So you believe that with this sort of discount, the number of people getting knee replacement surgeries would increase, and that would in a way balance the overall revenue equation.
See, out of 120 crore Indians, only 30 crore Indians are able to take high-end treatments, so more 20 or 30 crore will be able to take. So it is always nice if some prices are reduced. It is, one tier lower is always benefited. Having said this, contrary to stent, all the hospitals, particularly Shalby Hospital is the largest institute doing joint replacement in the whole world. Now, joint which was costing 1,10,000 was always given at 75 or 65,000 rupees by Shalby. So, overall discount more to the patient is going to be 10, 15, 20,000 and not more. But still it is good.
Understand, Mr. Shah, they have slashed prices between 59 to 69% for different surgeries. Can you just walk us through, the pricing that you have understood on this?
See, ma'am, whatever being published is from MRP.
Okay.
So, from MRP, present MRP to present selling price, but actual cost to patient today is already lower 30-40% than present MRP.
Okay. So what happens? I mean, we are also given to understand that that the cost of doing the surgery would be a bit of a challenge if pricing is compromised. Do you get that sense?
Well, see, there is one more to this is there are different kind of implants. From a X company, if the implants say there is a metal bag, there is a rotating platform, there is a new version coming in called Attune. Now, these all three are kept at same price. Now, how long these companies can sustain that given same price for a premium product also? So that is problem of companies and not of hospitals.
Okay, and they are also saying that any hospital overcharging will attract punitive actions. This is going to, of course, also be a step in the right direction. Your views?
Yes, of course. See, government of the day has a right to decide that what is they want to do for public at large, and it is fine. It should be like that. Otherwise, no law will be observed by anybody.
Much for giving us your views. So clearly, knee replacement caps now, the government has slashed the price for these implants.